NEXTCELL will provide the next generation of high-performance lithium-ion battery cells for electric vehicles. Currently, batteries are composed of a liquid electrolyte and solid materials, including electrodes and separators. NEXTCELL is developing groundbreaking technology to gellify the battery cell components. Innovative materials will be created to gellify the electrodes, separator and electrolyte to produce a stable battery cell with a higher nominal voltage. As electric vehicles are adopted around the world, NEXTCELL will help the European market to generate the next generation of battery cells. NEXTCELL will generate batteries with a higher energy density compared to the chemistry of state-of-the-art cells. The gellified cell will be cheaper to produce, safer to use, and will drastically reduce the battery pack's CO2 footprint. The new technology will reduce operating costs of European gigafactories, improve the safety of cells, and will reduce gigafactory energy consumption by 50%, improving the sustainability of electric vehicle battery production. The project will also be a scientific collaboration, where participants provide their expertise in many fields, such as material processing and cell chemistry, modelling, prototyping, characterisation, up to the cell production processes at a large scale. The project aims to make Europe a global leader in the lithium-ion battery value chain, with the new gellified cell design providing excellent performance in higher power and high voltage applications.